Welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality -3v plus 8 is greater than or equal to 11. We will walk through the steps to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. To solve the inequality -3v plus 8 is greater than or equal to 11, we begin by isolating the term involving the variable v. First, we need to eliminate the plus 8 on the left side of the inequality. We do this by subtracting 8 from both sides of the inequality to maintain balance. This results in the following expression. -3v plus 8 minus 8 is greater than or equal to 11 minus 8. Simplify both sides by performing the subtraction. -3v is greater than or equal to 3. The inequality has been altered such that the constant term 8 is removed from the left side, and 11 minus 8 is simplified to 3 on the right side. This step ensures that the variable term -3v stands alone on one side of the inequality. To solve the inequality -3v plus 8 is greater than or equal to 11, we previously subtracted 8 from both sides. This gave us -3v is greater than or equal to 3. Next, we need to isolate the variable v by getting rid of the -3 that is multiplied by v. To do this, we divide both sides of the inequality by -3, making sure to reverse the inequality sign because we are dividing by a negative number. This results in the following expression. V is less than or equal to 3 divided by -3. Simplify the division. V is less than or equal to -1. The inequality is now solved. The solution in inequality form is v is less than or equal to -1. In interval notation, the solution is expressed as -infinity to -1, including -1. This interval is written as open -infinity, -1 closed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.